Another day and another big news regarding the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is something big Samsung is going to do with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, the new cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will bring some of the new features, and you can say iPhone is now getting a competition, as according to Vice Universe, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a greatly improved night photography and videography. Okay, the photography at night times does make sense, but going big with videography is something special we are going to get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, there's another big update we might see on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the new Ultra Stabilization option in the video. Now, iPhone gets a competition in the video stabilization, and also we might see a resolution update on the portrait mode, potentially either Quad HD or whopping 4K just like we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not just the new features, but also a new numbers on the Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras are coming. 200 megapixel main shooter, which is Samsung's own HP2 sensor. The ultra wide lens will be the same, but telephoto sensor will come with the sensor shift stabilization, although it will come with the same 10 megapixel shooter. If you're going for either Pixel 7 Pro or Galaxy S22 Ultra, then I would suggest you to wait for the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, because Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with one of the biggest updates over the years, naming the one big update, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Much better than Tensor Gen 2 on Pixel 7 Pro, and way better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and even better than A15 Bionic chipset. So if you are up for raw performance and needed an Android smartphone which can compete with head-to-head iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you can got no other choice but to go with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, because as per benchmarks, the Galaxy S23 Ultra going head-to-head with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. No doubt Galaxy S23 Ultra will be a great phone, but some of the things on Galaxy S23 Ultra will left unchanged. Some people like it and some people don't, but we are going to get the similar design on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra just like we have seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And also one disappointment that people might face is its battery, the same 5000 mAh, although this time the new processor will make the difference, but no battery update this year. As per benchmarks, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the LPDDR5X RAM, which provides a speed of 8.5 gigabit per second, a 1.3 times faster than the last generation, and also comes with the UFS 4.0, which is twice as fast compared to the UFS 3.1. Samsung is on its way to launch the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra coming in January, a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With that, Samsung have big plans for next year foldable devices as well. If you want to see how Galaxy S23 Ultra will beat iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you should check these 3 big changes that we might see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which you can check here. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.